Here it is. I have very tiny hands, so not very happy. We'll see how it does in the shower. So, it says 5 inches. It probably is just under 5 inches. So it does have, you know, you can change the settings on it. So we'll see. I thought it was going to be bigger. So, they do have the same ones on Amazon for more expensive. I will pick through things before I buy because there's a lot of things that are this exact same thing for more money. So I think I paid, I want to say $5.99, $9.99. I don't remember. It was under $10. It was one of the less expensive ones that came the next day delivery, so that's why I got it. So we'll see. I will give an update. Love